how to see how someone added you on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can see how someone added you on Snapchat. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you will have to open a Snapchat with your logged in account. So simply open the Snapchat, and now from here you will have to go with the option friends. So it will just appear at the bottom left corner of the screen. So simply tap on the friends section, and now from here you will have to go with the options like friends requested. So it will appear on the top right corner of the screen. So simply you have to go with the options friend request. So simply tap on this option, and now from here you will got options like added me sections. So on the added me section you will be able to see the person whom added you on Snapchat. So simply on the section you will be able to see, and you can accept it from here like this. Okay, so now on the another hand, find friends, you can find friends and add it to your Snapchat. So you can add it from here. So this is the easiest and simplest method to see how someone added you on Snapchat, or how you can accept them on Snapchat, or how you can add them on Snapchat. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more sub tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.